Good morning, everybody. We are now in Thailand with our Thai partners, Chulalongkorn University, and we are very happy to have today our partner, Professor Apple, who will give us some information about the place we are. Today, we are in a hatchery, and then she can give us some ideas about the project, about how Chulalongkorn University will help us to implement the project and to get our outcomes. Please, Apple, where we are actually?
We are now on the islands. The name of the islands we call Samesan Island, and this island is taken care by the Navy. So these islands, if you look at the map, the islands located in the upper Gulf of Thailand in Chonburi province.
Okay. So what's the activity here in this hatchery?
This hatchery is we call a coral hatchery. So what it means is that we culture or cultivate the corals by collecting the coral egg and sperm, and then bring the coral egg and sperm come here for the fertilization.
Okay, thank you. And normally these corals here are going to back to the sea, or you are going to cultivate them out in these outdoor tanks?
Yeah, actually, we have to, after cultivations, we have to raise this coral about at least 2 years old. When they become bigger and larger, then after 2 years, we release them back to the ocean. So this technique is some kind of help coral reef in Thailand to restore the coral back to the nature.
Okay. So, Apple, you told me about this sexual cultivation or sexual development instead of classical cultivation. What's the difference between these two techniques?
Actually, in the past, as some of you know, that when they propagate the corals, they're using what we call asexual propagation. So what this means is that they collect a coral colony and then broke into pieces and then put those pieces onto the substrate. So we call those technique asexual. But for our technique now that we are doing, we are sexual reproduction. So we collect egg and sperm and then fertilize. So the advantages of this technique is that all those baby coral that we culture, they have more genetic diversity. So when the environmental change, so our baby coral can be able to withstand to the environmental that change.
Oh, thank you. Apple, you are also involved in TASCMAR project,
Yes.
and we are very happy to have you on board. So you are participating to two work packages, the work package 4 dedicated to the cultivation, and the other work package is related to collection.
Yes.
And mainly collection from mesophotic area. What about the mesophotic area here in Thailand? It is easy to access to this area or not?
Well, actually, in Thailand, I have to say that so far we not really have no study have been done related to the mesophotic zone in the Gulf of Thailand and also in the Andaman Sea. The reason is that because we do a lot of diving, but the diving have some limitations. Just only we can dive until 30 to 40 meters and that's it. But for the mesophotic zone, we have to go deeper than that, so 40 meters. So for the TASCMAR projects, I think after we explore the mesophotic zones, definitely those data can be able to generate the useful information related to the mesophotic zone in the Gulf of Thailand and also in the Andaman Sea.
Okay. So we are waiting for your future work, Apple, and thanks a lot for your implication in TASCMAR project, and thanks to everybody.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you very much. Thank you.